Welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly. Today we are doing a cook and clean with me. I am doing my signature chicken fajitas. It is a big staple in our house. We just love it. So I started out with the oil in the pan and I put it to medium heat to get it cooking, and then cut up my veggies who are already washed. And I just use a red pepper, a green pepper, or whatever I have on hand. And then I will dice up chop up half of an onion as well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also hit the bell notification so you're notified of when I upload. Let's get into it. So I've had the veggies cooking, and then I sprinkle in some just any fajita mix really. I use the McCormick fajita mix, and I sprinkle just however much I feel that I would like in there. I don't use the whole packet, it's too overwhelming. And then I put like 2 tablespoons of water, and with that, let it simmer until everything's translucent and soft. And then I will add in the chicken, which I have been chopping up on the side here. I also preheated the oven to 425 because I like to put the tortillas in the oven and melt the cheese first. So I'm going to set that up here. We get out 6 tortillas, and then I sprinkle some shredded Mexican cheese on top of it as well. And then when the oven's ready, I will put that in the oven until the cheese is melted. And you'll want to watch it closely so that it doesn't get too crispy. But I try and time it perfectly to where I pull it out and everything else is ready. And now that my peppers are soft and my onion is translucent, I go ahead and put it aside in this bowl, add more oil to the pan, and dunk my chicken in. Then I will cook the chicken until it is no longer pink. Then I will marry them both together. I also add more of the McCormick seasoning as well, just so that the chicken's coated in it, as well as the veg mix. And then, yeah, I'll add it all together at the end. And then hopefully my tortillas will be done right around the same time, and then it's ready to eat. Tortillas are done, and now we will eat dinner. And then the next morning arrives, and I then did the rest of the dishes. My boyfriend had started the dishes because I had cooked dinner, so now I'm going to go ahead and finish the dishes and just clean up the kitchen as it desperately needed. We have a 1-year-old. I work full-time. I am pretty much exhausted 99% of the time. So bear with me as I'm trying to work on my schedule and uploading, as well as in these videos where they are very broken up, but it is real life. And I am determined to show you real life of a busy mom, because we are all busy, and it's important to look towards realistic examples and implement whatever might work in your life that might make things easier if you need, or share what works for you. Let's help each other out. Let's help each other grow, because this mom thing is hard. I was not ready for how hard it is, and some women just seem to do it really well, and good for them. I really hope that it is as easy for them as they make it seem, but I think a lot of times we make things look easier than it really is. And I want this to be a space to where we can uplift one another and share our tips and tricks, and also not feel so alone. So please join with me on that. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. This is what we are about on this channel, empowering others and helping out. So now I'm just going to continue on with the dishes. He always leaves the bottles for me and that is perfectly fine. So he does a lot around the house and I am very appreciative. So I don't know how you single mamas do it. I give my hat off to you. You are my superhero. So, but let's get into it. Let's continue with the good music. And I hope you guys had a really good Memorial weekend as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. I am so close to 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. Feel free to share my videos to your friends who need some good motivating content. I hope you guys have a great week ahead, and check out these other videos that I have listed here as well. They might help you out too. But have a great day. Bye guys.